Now the next tool is zoom tool. Let's see what this zoom tool does. In zoom, see these are the two tools you can see here. One is zoom, the other one is pan. What is basically this zoom tool does is, as you click the zoom tool, see you can see a small the mouse cursor, it is being changed to a lens kind of thing. Okay. To see how this tool works, what you need to do is, on the mouse, click on your left mouse button, click and drag. See, you see this dotted square. So what it does is, as soon as you drag your mouse and leave, see it zooms to that particular area. Now to make you a little more easier to understand, what I'll do is, first what I'll do is, first I will zoom out. That before, what I have done is zoom in. This is zoom in. See on the top, bar, you can see these are the tool options. These zoom tool options, as you click here, this particular changes to zoom tool options. Okay, so this is zoom in, and this is, see, as you click this zoom in, it goes on increasing your screen size, or it zooms in, and as you click on zoom out, see it zooms out. Okay, see this shortcut for this is F3. To zoom out, it is F3. Okay, zoom in, there is no shortcut because it's not required actually. For zoom in you need a shortcut. F3 is the shortcut for zoom in. Okay, so still for you to easier to understand, what I'll do is, I'll draw an object first. Okay, click on any of the tool, square or circle tool. I'll drag my mouse and draw an object here. Fill this with any of the color. Okay, again what I do is go to zoom tool. See, this is the zoom tool. As you click the zoom tool, the zoom tool is by default it is zoom in. Okay, see this is zoom in. Now I want to zoom in this particular box. What I do is, I'll just drag this my mouse throughout this box. Okay, I'll drag this much and leave it. You can see this is zoomed in. The box, this particular box, has covered the entire screen area now when I zoom in. Now the same thing what I do is, I zoom out. See, as I click zoom out, it zooms out. Again, that's zoom in, this is zoom out. Now what shortcut I have said, F3. As you click F3, this again zooms out. Now there is another option for this, to magnify only the selected object. See, as you click this, what it does is, only by one click, it magnifies the entire object on your screen. That means it shows only the object which is there on your Corel page, only that particular object. Okay, if you have 2 to 3 different objects like this is one more object I am inserting. There's one more circle I insert. This is 3 object I have inserted. Okay, now what I need to do is, I'll click on this zoom icon, zoom tool, and see this you have seen, this is zoom in and this is zoom out. Okay, the third here what you see is, this is to select to zoom in only the objects on your page. Okay, see now how it works. Click on this tool. See, it magnifies only that particular object which is selected. Okay, now again I will zoom out. Let's see once again. Now I'll go to the pick tool first, and I'll select some other tool, the object. Okay, now again I'll go to the zoom tool and go to this particular zoom tool, zoom to selected, that is called. Okay, Now click on this tool. See, only that particular object, that means the yellow box which I have selected, that only that particular object is zoomed in on your screen. Okay, the rest you can see because these objects, the red box you can see because that particular object is overlapping the yellow box, and this blue object, the circle object, that object, only the half part of that object you can see here because that's not been selected. Okay, now suppose if I want to see all the three objects at one click. Okay, what I do is I'll click now to select multiple object. There is a shortcut for this. See, this is the shift button in your keyboard. Click shift button and start clicking on the objects. This is one object I have clicked. Don't leave the shift button. By clicking the shift button, you start selecting the object through pick tool. Okay, see all the three objects I have selected, and what again I'll do is go to the zoom tool and click on this particular tool. Okay, see all the three objects you can see on the screen. So that's how it works, and the shortcut for this is shift F2. See, this is shift F2. Instead of going to the zoom tool here and again going to this tool, you can directly click shift and F2. By pressing shift, you just press the other keyboard button, that is F2. It does the same kind of work what that tool does. Okay, let's see. Again in the zoom tool, we'll see some other option. See, this button you see here, this is not activated now because I have not selected any of the object. If I select any object, then it becomes active. See, as soon as I click any of the object and click the zoom, see, it becomes active. Okay, now let's see what does the next tool does. In the zoom tool, let's see this tool, learn about this tool. This is zoom to all objects. Okay, now what this tool does is, see, in the this previous tool what you have seen, see, this tool zooms in the particular selected, only a particular selected object. And what does this tool does is, this tool zooms in all the objects in your page. It just zooms in that particular objects. Okay,